Tharparkar, a name that resonates with the whispers of the desert wind, echoing through the vast arid expanse of the Thar Desert. This is a place where the land and the sky seem to merge into one, creating a surreal landscape that is both mesmerizing and daunting. It's a name that echoes with the whisper of the desert wind, carrying tales of resilience and survival. The wind, ever present, shapes the dunes and carves the landscape, creating an ever-changing canvas of nature's artistry. This is a land of stark beauty, where the harshness of the environment is matched only by its breathtaking vistas. The Thar Desert, with its rolling sand dunes and expansive horizons, is a testament to the raw power of nature. Located in the southeastern corner of Sindh, Pakistan, Tharparkar is a region that straddles the border between two nations. The Thar Desert stretches across the border into India, creating a shared landscape that transcends political boundaries. The Thar Desert stretches across the border into India, but Tharparkar is uniquely Pakistani. It is a region that embodies the spirit and culture of Pakistan, with its own distinct identity and heritage. But Tharparkar is uniquely Pakistani. The people here, known as the Thari, have a rich cultural heritage that is deeply intertwined with the land. They have adapted to the harsh conditions of the desert, developing unique traditions and ways of life that reflect their resilience and ingenuity. The landscape is defined by its vast stretches of sand dunes, which can shift and change with the wind. These dunes are not just a physical feature of the land, but a symbol of the ever-changing nature of life in the desert. These dunes can shift and change with the wind, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. The wind, a constant presence in the desert, shapes the land and influences the lives of those who call Tharparkar home. Sparse vegetation clings to life in this arid environment. The plants and animals of Tharparkar have adapted to the harsh conditions, finding ways to survive and thrive in a landscape that offers little in the way of resources. Tharparkar is a testament to nature's resilience. Life here is tough. The people are tough. The Thari people have learned to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, developing skills and knowledge that have been passed down through generations. They have learned to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Their daily lives are a testament to their strength and determination as they work the land and care for their families in a place where resources are scarce and the climate is unforgiving. But despite the challenges, Tharparkar is also a place of great beauty and cultural richness. The Thari people celebrate their heritage with vibrant festivals, music and dance, showcasing the unique traditions that have been shaped by their environment. It is a place that stays with you long after you leave. The beauty of the landscape, the resilience of the people, and the rich cultural heritage of Tharparkar create an unforgettable experience that lingers in the heart and mind. Don't underestimate the Thar Desert. It may look barren at first glance, with its vast stretches of sand dunes and seemingly endless horizons. But this arid landscape is teeming with life, hidden in plain sight, but life finds a way. The Thar Desert is home to a surprising variety of flora and fauna, each uniquely adapted to survive in this harsh environment. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has its own strategy for coping with the extreme conditions. The flora and fauna here have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Plants have developed ways to conserve water, while animals have evolved behaviors to avoid the scorching heat of the day. It's a delicate balance of life, where every organism plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Cacti are the iconic plant of the Thar. These resilient plants are masters of water conservation. Their thick, fleshy stems store water, allowing them to survive long periods without rain. Their spines not only protect them from herbivores, but also provide shade, reducing water loss. They store water in their thick stems. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in an environment where water is scarce. During the rare rainfalls, cacti absorb as much water as possible, storing it for the dry months ahead. This allows them to survive long periods of drought. Even when the desert appears lifeless, these plants are quietly enduring, waiting for the next opportunity to thrive. Look closer. You'll find thorny shrubs like acacia. These hardy plants are another example of nature's ingenuity. Their deep roots tap into underground water sources, and their small, tough leaves minimize water loss. These provide shade and shelter for animals. In the scorching heat of the desert, the shade of an acacia shrub can be a lifesaver for many creatures, offering a cool refuge from the sun. The animal life is just as fascinating. The Thar Desert is home to a variety of wildlife, each species uniquely adapted to the harsh conditions. From the nimble chinkara to the majestic blackbuck, these animals have evolved to thrive in this challenging environment. Keep an eye out for the majestic blackbuck. This antelope is known for its striking appearance and graceful movements. With its long, spiraled horns and distinctive black and white markings, the blackbuck is a true icon of the Thar. This antelope species is known for its striking black and white markings. These markings not only make the blackbuck stand out, but also play a role in its social interactions and mating rituals. You might spot a chinkara deer darting through the dunes. These agile creatures are well adapted to the desert environment, with their light, nimble bodies and keen senses helping them evade predators and find food. And listen for the distinctive call of the peacock. These vibrant birds are a surprising sight in the desert, their colourful plumage standing out against the sandy backdrop. These birds add a splash of colour to the desert landscape. Their presence is a reminder of the unexpected beauty that can be found in the most unlikely places. The Thar Desert, with its unique flora and fauna, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Water is precious in Tharparkar. The region receives very little rainfall. The Thar experiences a harsh, arid climate. Summers are scorching hot. Temperatures can reach over 50 degrees Celsius. Winters are short and mild. Water scarcity is a major challenge. People rely on wells and ponds for their water needs. These traditional sources are often unreliable, especially during periods of drought. The monsoon season brings some relief, but it's a time of both hope and danger. The rains are often erratic and can cause flooding. The people of Tharparkar are as resilient as the land they inhabit. They have a deep connection to their environment. Despite the harsh conditions, they have created a vibrant and welcoming culture. Tharparkar is home to a diverse population. Muslims and Hindus have coexisted peacefully here for centuries. This cultural blend is reflected in their traditions, music, and festivals. The people are known for their hospitality. They are always willing to share what they have with visitors. Section 5. Ancient Echoes, Modern Wonders. Exploring Tharparkar's landmarks. Tharparkar is a land steeped in history and culture. There are ancient ruins. There are modern marvels waiting to be discovered. Nagarparkar is a must-see destination. This ancient city is home to a number of historical temples and mosques. The intricate carvings on the structures are a testament to the skill of the artisans. The Karunjar Hills offer breathtaking views of the desert landscape. These hills are a great place to go hiking and exploring. Section 6. When the desert sings, experiencing Tharparkar's festivals. The best time to visit Tharparkar is during the cooler months, when the desert transforms into a vibrant hub of cultural activities and celebrations. From October to March, the weather is pleasant for exploring. The harsh summer heat gives way to cooler, more comfortable temperatures, making it the perfect time to immerse yourself in the local culture. But to truly experience the spirit of Tharparkar, try to coincide your visit with one of the local festivals. These festivals are not just events, they are a window into the soul of Tharparkar, showcasing its rich traditions and vibrant community life. The Tharparkar Festival is a celebration of the region's culture and heritage. It brings together people from all walks of life to celebrate their shared history and traditions. It's held annually in February, a month when the weather is just right for outdoor festivities. The festival is a major highlight of the year, drawing visitors from near and far. You'll witness traditional music, dance performances, and camel races. These events are not just entertaining, they are a testament to the enduring cultural practices of the Tharparkar people. The festival is a riot of colors and sounds. The vibrant attire, the rhythmic beats of traditional instruments, and the lively dances create an atmosphere of joy and celebration. It's an experience you won't soon forget. The memories of Tharparkar's festivals will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the rich cultural tapestry that makes this region so unique. Section 7. Tharparkar awaits. Planning your journey. Getting to Tharparkar is an adventure in itself. The nearest major city is Karachi. From there you can hire a jeep or take a bus. The journey will take you through small villages and past breathtaking desert scenery. Be prepared for the heat. Pack light, loose-fitting clothing and bring plenty of water. It's important to respect the local customs. Dress modestly. Ask permission before taking photographs of people. Section 8. Respecting the delicate balance. Sustainable tourism in Tharparkar. Tharparkar is a fragile ecosystem. It's important to travel responsibly. Be mindful of your impact on the environment. Avoid littering. Conserve water whenever possible. Support local businesses. Buy handicrafts directly from the artisans. Stay in locally owned guest houses. Your trip can help support the local economy and preserve the cultural heritage of Tharparkar. Section 9. Until next time, Tharparkar. Tharparkar is more than just a desert. It's a place of incredible resilience, vibrant culture, and breathtaking beauty. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left its sandy embrace. So pack your bags, embrace the adventure. Tharparkar awaits.